I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you can miss it.
Well, here's one you don't see every day. Yep, that's right. That's a Fiesta with a K20 in it. That's what we like, ain't it, Jason? Yes, my friend. Yeah, so this one's on a K100. So we'll be custom mapping this today on the dyno. It's a standard K20, so it's not. It's just a standard block, standard engine with some mods. Obviously, it's got a bit of an exhaust and it's got a bit of an induction kit, but it fits in there brilliantly. I mean, that's considering this has been done at home. Yeah, that is gorgeous. And this is exactly what people need to be doing because the K20 engine is just fantastic. Oh, it is stripped out. It's got some, obviously, the linkages and the K-tune shifter. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Yep, so K100 in the ECU. So we're going to use a K-Pro to tune and then finish it off by flashing it back to the K100 board. But yeah, we should see some nice little figures here. Basically, same as tuning an EP3. Yummy. we go, little Fiesta with a K20 in it. Still needs some modifications to make some more power, but at 215 brake horsepower, then we've got to be happy with that at this stage. Lovely little car. I bet that's a bag of fun.